It started with a simple press release, but the news was anything but simple. On November 3, 2025, OpenAI announced a $38 billion 7-year partnership with Amazon. This was no ordinary business deal. It was a seismic event for the tech industry. For years, OpenAI was closely tied to Microsoft. Now, it was embracing a new, powerful ally. The announcement signaled a new era in the AI race, with tech giants spending fortunes to secure the future. Amazon's stock soared, adding $140 billion in value in a single day. Silicon Valley's leaders scrambled to grasp the implications. OpenAI was declaring its independence and its need for more computing power. Amazon was stepping up as a top-tier destination for advanced AI. This deal was more than money, it was a strategic realignment of the entire AI landscape. Sam Altman, OpenAI's CEO, knew the company needed staggering computational power to build the next generation of AI. Relying on just Microsoft was risky, especially with a global chip shortage. Enter Amazon Web Services, the world's largest cloud provider, eager to prove its AI prowess. The OpenAI-Amazon partnership is a pivotal chapter in the story of modern AI, one that will redefine alliances and accelerate change. As companies pour trillions into AI, they're betting on a future still being written. This deal sets the stage for the next decade of innovation. The $38 billion figure grabs headlines, but the details reveal the real story. This is a complex 7-year agreement making OpenAI one of Amazon's most important AI customers. OpenAI gets long-term, guaranteed access to Amazon's vast infrastructure, especially the powerful GPUs needed to train and run AI models. Amazon is allocating hundreds of thousands of NVIDIA's latest GPUs, including the Blackwell series, to OpenAI. In a world where GPUs are scarce, this is a major win for OpenAI. Amazon is building new, dedicated infrastructure for OpenAI, including custom-built data centers in the US. The deal is flexible. While it starts with NVIDIA chips, it leaves the door open for OpenAI to use Amazon's own Trainium and Inferentia chips in the future. This gives OpenAI options and helps Amazon validate its hardware. The partnership is designed to adapt to rapid changes in AI technology. It's a forward-looking alliance built for the future of AI. OpenAI's story was long intertwined with Microsoft, which invested $13 billion and provided crucial cloud power. In return, Microsoft gained exclusive access to OpenAI's technology, integrating it into Bing and Office. But that exclusivity expired in January 2025, freeing OpenAI to pursue a multi-cloud strategy. The move wasn't a breakup, but a strategic evolution. OpenAI needed more computing power than any one partner could provide. Relying on a single provider was risky, especially with a global GPU shortage. Diversifying was essential to secure OpenAI's future. Despite the Amazon deal, OpenAI will remain a major Microsoft Azure customer, planning to spend $250 billion on its capacity. Now, OpenAI has two tech giants competing to provide the best infrastructure. This puts OpenAI in a powerful position to fuel its ambitious research. For OpenAI, relying on a single supplier for computing power was a risk it could no longer afford. By adding Amazon, OpenAI is building a more resilient foundation, ensuring its progress isn't limited by one company's capacity. The global demand for NVIDIA GPUs has created fierce competition and long waiting lists. With both Microsoft and Amazon, OpenAI can secure the chips it needs and avoid bottlenecks. This multi-cloud strategy also sparks competition. Each provider must offer the best technology and service. OpenAI becomes a prized customer, able to demand the latest hardware and best terms. Working with both Azure and AWS exposes OpenAI to diverse tools and approaches, sparking innovation. It makes OpenAI more agile and ready for whatever comes next in AI. For Amazon, the $38 billion deal is more than a sale, it's a strategic coup. AWS had been seen as lagging behind Microsoft in AI infrastructure. Landing OpenAI as a major customer instantly changes that narrative, validating AWS's capabilities. This partnership will likely attract more AI startups and enterprises to AWS, fueling growth. Amazon's own AI ecosystem benefits, as its engineers gain insights from supporting OpenAI's massive workloads. These lessons will help Amazon improve its own AI models and custom chips. OpenAI becomes a strategic partner, sharpening Amazon's competitive edge. The deal locks in a massive, reliable revenue stream as AI infrastructure spending explodes. For Amazon, it's about becoming a dominant force in the next era of computing. The OpenAI-Amazon deal is built on a vast physical infrastructure. AI at OpenAI's scale relies on sprawling data centers packed with thousands of servers and GPUs. These facilities consume enormous electricity and require advanced cooling to keep powerful chips running. GPUs, originally for video games, are now the engines of deep learning. Training models like GPT-4 means performing billions of calculations at once. GPUs make this possible. Amazon is constructing new, dedicated data centers for OpenAI, optimized for AI workloads. Everything inside is engineered for speed, efficiency, and cooling. The race for AI is a race to build and control this infrastructure. Companies are spending billions not just on code, but on concrete, steel, and silicon. The $38 billion deal is a reminder. AI's future is built on a very real, very expensive foundation. The OpenAI-Amazon deal is part of a massive wave of AI investment. In 2025 alone, OpenAI announced infrastructure deals totaling over $1.4 trillion with tech giants like NVIDIA, AMD, Oracle, and Google. This spending is accelerating innovation, making AI tools more powerful and accessible. But the scale and speed of investment are raising alarms. Some fear an economic bubble. Economists and financial leaders warn that the hype may be outpacing reality. The risk companies are betting on future profits that may not materialize, risking a sudden market correction. The partnership will supercharge progress, but the shadow of a bubble looms. For now, the engines of AI are running hotter than ever, and the world is watching to see what comes next.